to another vlog. Today is Tuesday and I just got done eating breakfast, drinking my coffee. The house is kind of a mess, excuse that. Here's KK, say hi.
Hi.
Say good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Have Mia girl right there. Our backyard is a mess, you guys, so I'm not gonna show you guys. I totally forgot. I wanted to show you guys my favorite drink lately. I've been obsessed with this. So I get the grande iced pumpkin spice latte with 3 pumps of the pumpkin sauce with half and half. And then I get half decaf because, you know, I'm pregnant. And then I get 2 pumps of the classic syrup in a venti cup with pumpkin cold brew. What is it called? Pumpkin cream foam and 2 pumps of white mocha. What happened?
The Roomba, it performed so well that there was poop all up inside the dustpan.
Oh heck no! So you cleaned it? It's all good now?
I'm holding it with my bare hands.
Oh my gosh, babe, tell them what happened while you were cleaning the Roomba.
Oh, so it's gloomy out, right? And I thought it was raining. It started sprinkling, and then I was like, oh hell yeah! And then I tried to wipe the rain off my head, and I looked, and it was poop.
You got poop.
I got poop on while cleaning poop.
Yeah, good job, Mia. Good job.
Good job, Mia.
Mickey, little tail. Hey.
I want to show my favorite shirt.
Okay, what's your favorite shirt? That one?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Okay, mommy need to get ready. Bye. Hold on. Oh. Look how cute our new arrivals are, you guys. Super cute. What? I know. So cute. Oh my gosh. So we have the oh my gosh, I forgot what was the jacket? Oh, Trendsetter. The Trendsetter crop jacket with the scrumptious leggings in acid light blue.
Wait, if my hair's in the video, I'm charging.
Oh, she doesn't have her ponytail today, guys. Oh my gosh, so cute. Well, you guys didn't know how our office looked before, but we cleaned it up finally. We finally had time yesterday. And yeah, this is my desk, Alika's desk. But I'm gonna go back to the room because I need to go and do the stories real quick, so I'll be right back. We're eating lunch right now. Rax made this. What is this, babe? What chicken is this?
Bulgogi or something. It's a Korean thing.
It's so good. Lika's over there. We're so far away from each other.
Hey.
Now we're at Secret Boutique. We have some shipping to do. And what else do we have to do? So we gotta ship, we gotta clean. So yeah. Good morning, everyone. So today is Friday, September 3rd, and we are going to be celebrating our 4th year of marriage anniversary and 8 years together.
Love you.
Love you. So we're going to San Diego, but first, before we start getting ready, we haven't even packed or anything. We were gonna leave. We were planning on leaving by 8. Wait, was it 8:30 or something? But that's not gonna happen. So we got us some Starbucks. This is my favorite lately. And then for food, I got us the Impossible breakfast sandwich and cheese Danish.
Oh yeah.
So good. So we just got done eating dim sum. Did you like it, baby?
A little bit. I've been waiting for that place since forever.
I know. This is one of our favorite places to eat dim sum at, and it's in San Diego, and it's called the Emerald Restaurant. And you guys, there's, oops, do you guys see the pampas over there? I really want them, but I think it's illegal to pluck them. So I guess I'm not gonna do it. No, it's like in the middle of the road. What if the cops pull up on us?
No, we saw this spot on the way up here. We can't tell you where it is though.
But you have to climb over there. This is like right in front of our face. It's like right there, and Rex can just cut it real fast and go. But you know what? I'm not trying to get arrested. I think it's illegal, I believe.
No, you're not gonna get arrested. You're just gonna get a fat ticket, like.
I ain't trying to do that either on our vacation. But right now, we're probably gonna go shopping or sightseeing. I don't even know what we're gonna do, but we'll see you guys in a little bit once we figure out what we're gonna do. We're at Seaport Village now. Come on, baby.
My baby, my baby.
You got it going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got a love line. And ooh, yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby.
Look how bomb this looks, you guys. So we got the churros sundae with 2 churros, right? Wait, this is 4, or did they cut it in half?
That's 2 churros.
Oh.
You said 2.
Yeah, I didn't say 2.
She's like, oh, 2.
I'm excited.
No, this is, yeah.
What?
This is the one.
I think Rex is drunk, you guys.
I'm not drunk yet.
Okay, I'm gonna try the ice cream and the churro.
Okay, remind me to pick some up for
Candy?
like candy, lemon stuff, liquor. I think you'll like this stuff. It's actually really good. It has like a nice little sourness to it.
Bomb. Alright guys, so now we are in our room. It is already a mess, so I'm not gonna really show you guys. But it's like about it's about 5 p.m. and we are gonna go head down to the pool. Our reservation was like from 4 to 6, but we're only gonna be there from 5 to 6, which is fine because it's gonna get cold anyways.
We can go again tomorrow or something.
Rex over here is gonna be taking his shots and drinks. And
I was gonna get Henny, but I don't want to get too twisted.
yeah.
Cause if I drink Henny, I'm not gonna stop. So I got gin.
Alright guys, our food is finally here. I got the truffle fries with tenders. And Brock's got these fried
pickles.
Fried pickles. And you guys, if you've been watching me for a while, you will know that I don't like pickles. But dude, these are really, really good. It comes with like the chipotle sauce. Careful, baby.
She hates pickles. She hates pickles. Despise like,
So good.
Who is she? Who is
Pregnant.
she? That Cambodian baby, you love the sour stuff.
I know, huh? And I got hot cocoa because it's freaking freezing.
Oh, come here. No.
The birds love rocks. Look at them.
You too? You want one too? There you go.
She's scared. Just throw it right there. Throw it right there. What the?
You too? Come here. Don't bite me again. I remember you, skinny. The skinny one. The one that bit me.